Welcome to ProITBot.com. We're excited to announce the launch of our innovative AI template, the Networking Configuration Guide, your essential resource for 24/7 support in network configuration and troubleshooting. Designed specifically for network engineers, our AI Networking Guide offers instant assistance and serves as a valuable learning tool for anyone looking to enhance their networking knowledge. Whether you need help configuring VLANs, setting up routing protocols, or managing network security, everything you need is right at your fingertips. With this guide, you can access step-by-step instructions, comprehensive overview summaries, and practical command line examples tailored for various network environments like Cisco, Juniper, and more. It supports all network switch and router configurations, making it easy for both beginners and experienced professionals to navigate diverse networking scenarios. Personalize your experience by entering specific topics or tasks in the input field. For example, if you're looking for guidance on configuring OSPF, simply type it in, and our AI will provide relevant insights and instructions. Let's dive deep into the demo and see how ProITBot can empower network engineers like you.
Log into ProITBot.com, navigate to the AI Writer section, click on the Tech category, and select the Networking Configuration Guide. Now, let's dive into our demo by exploring VLAN configuration using the AI Networking Configuration template at ProITBot.com. See how our AI can simplify your networking tasks. Now, let's explore the overview section for VLAN. See how you can leverage ProITBot's networking template to gain insights on any networking topic with ease. Now, let's see how our command generates a complete configuration tailored to your data, starting with an example of VLAN. You can see how ProITBot AI has generated all the necessary configurations tailored to the input, making networking setup a breeze. Next, let's dive into the OSPF setup and see how easily we can configure it using our Network Configuration Guide AI template. let's dive into the benefits of OSPF and explore how it can enhance your networking knowledge. Next, let's explore the NAT configuration and see how it can help manage your network's IP address usage effectively. Let's dive into the overview of NAT in networking and understand its key functions and benefits. Now, let's explore link aggregation in Juniper. Just remember to include the Juniper name in the additional notes. Now, let's obtain the configuration for an IPsec VPN on a Juniper router, complete with command line examples. All the generated configurations can be saved online in your account, downloaded in Word or text file formats, or copied as plain text or HTML. See how the ProiBot AI Network Work Template can assist you 24/7 with configuration, learning, or troubleshooting. Join us now and check the comment section for a free trial.